civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Los Angeles, CA, beginning at 6:11 p.m. and ending at 8:11 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Los Angeles Police Department. On April 9, 2024, at 9:00 a.m., Cairo Kelly was abducted from Los Angeles, California. Cairo Kelly is a 5-year-old black male, 4 feet tall, weighing 90 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Second victim, Ollie Kelly, is a 6-year-old black male, 4 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Donald Kelly, is a 41-year-old black male, standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 175 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2009 black Lincoln MKZ with California license plate number 9LFN954. If seen, call 911.
I usually weigh my